equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to this detailed guide on cleaning the internal components of your Lenovo Yoga 530. Today, we'll walk through the necessary steps to ensure your device runs smoothly. Before we begin, make sure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a can of compressed air. First, power down your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, flip your Yoga 530 over to access the back panel. You'll notice several screws securing the panel in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. If you find it difficult to lift the panel, double-check that all screws have been removed. Now that the back panel is off, you'll see the internal components, including the battery, fan, and motherboard. It's essential to keep this area clean to prevent overheating and ensure optimal performance. Start by using the can of compressed air to blow away any dust and debris from the fan and vents. This step is vital, as accumulated dust can lead to overheating issues. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Next, inspect the battery and connections. Ensure that there are no loose cables or signs of wear. If everything looks good, proceed to clean the motherboard gently with a soft, lint-free cloth. Avoid using any liquids, as they can cause damage. After cleaning, it's time to reassemble your device. Carefully place the back panel back onto the laptop, ensuring that all clips are aligned. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not overly tight, as this could strip the screws. Once everything is back in place, power on your Lenovo Yoga 530 and check that it's functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help without any pressure. Finally, if you prefer not to handle this yourself, we also offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. With these steps, your Lenovo Yoga 530 should be clean and running efficiently. Thank you for following along. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.